Lag spikes can be frustrating while playing CS2, but there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow this guide to reduce lag and enhance your performance. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. Use a wired connection if possible, as it tends to be more reliable than Wi-Fi. Run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. Step 2. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This includes web browsers, streaming services, and other programs that may consume bandwidth or system resources. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Lower in-game graphics settings to reduce the load on your system. This can include decreasing resolution, turning off shadows, and lowering texture quality. A smoother frame rate can help minimize lag spikes. Step 4. Update drivers and game. Make sure your graphics card drivers and the game itself are up to date. Developers often release patches and updates that can fix performance issues. Check for updates regularly to ensure optimal performance. Step 5. Optimize network settings. Adjust your network settings for gaming. This can include enabling quality of service (QoS) on your router to prioritize gaming traffic or using a gaming VPN to reduce ping and improve connection stability. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce lag spikes and enjoy a smoother gaming experience in CS2. Remember to regularly check your settings and connection for ongoing improvements.